In May 2021, Saf North America created the Fleurage Experience sample box as a sales tool. The concept was to showcase the Saf-Pro artisan fleurage products to customers remotely, a necessity of safety protocols during the COVID-19 pandemic. Shipped out fresh the previous day, here's an example of what each customer received. The Fleurage Experience is designed to demonstrate how artisan fleurage products can enhance baked goods. The customer is guided through the experience with a focus on the senses. Step 1. In preparation for your journey through the senses, we ask that you gather all the contents of your box, remove any packaging, and fill up your water bottle. When you're all set, we recommend first opening the baked goods featuring Saf-Pro Artisan Fleurage seeds. Step 2. Examine the appearance of the baked goods. Note how the artisan fleurage toppings affect the overall appearance. Is the coloring of the baked good altered? Are the overall aesthetics pleasing and appetizing? Step 3. To enhance and focus your other senses, please place the blindfold over your eyes. Now, pick up the bread, bun, or crackers and gently feel the surface. Examine the texture of the baked good with your fingertips. Step 4. Breathe in the distinct aromas. What do you smell? Your sense of smell is a complement to your palate. Step 5. Take your first small bite. Listen for the sound of the crispy and crunchy crust. What does it sound like before and during chewing? What are the differences you notice between the three baked goods? Step 6. Now it's time to put it all together. Take a full bite and chew slowly. Think about the different flavors you are experiencing and how Saf-Pro Artisan Fleurage seeds and semolina differ. Got some crumbs? Use your new Crumby vacuum to clean up. Included in the sample box are 2 generous samples of Saf-Pro Artisan Fleurage seeds and semolina for bakers to test the products on their own baked goods. The booklet also contains recipes for the baked goods that the customer has just experienced. Finally, the booklet highlights the technical information for the artisan fleurage products and has a friendly contact page where customers can ask questions to our experienced baking techs. The Saf-Pro Artisan Fleurage Sample Box 2021 is a high-quality sales tool that affords prestige as well as grassroots sensory appreciation of our unique products. The pandemic may have stopped us visiting our customers face-to-face, but it cannot stop us finding new ways to share our news and our products. We innovate to bring new experiences to bakers. Saf-Pro Artisan Fleurage. Create, amaze, delight.